In this video, I'm going to show you how to download AttackShark X3 software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and here search for the button which says Driver Download. Click on that, it's going to take you to a separate page, and this is where we're going to have to find the X3 mouse, okay? So scroll down a bit, switch over to Mouses tab over here, and then here you'll be able to find, it's going to say AttackShark X3. If it doesn't say that over here, you can just go to up top where it says search products, type in X3, and you should be able to see it over here. Now, after that, select the mouse you actually own, either the X3, X3 Pro, or the Max version. I'm going to click on the basic one, and then just click on this button here, which says the AttackShark X3 software, and it's going to download onto your computer as a zip folder. Now, when this happens, you want to open up your File Explorer and go into Downloads, and you should be able to see the zip folder. Click on it, right-click, and then Extract All, and then click on Extract. When you do that, it's going to create a separate folder which does not have a zipper anymore, so just click on this new folder, and in here it's going to say AttackShark X3 software, okay? Now, make sure it's the correct one, so if you have the Pro or the Max, make sure it says that over here, and then just double-click it. It's going to open up the installer for the software, and then you want to click on Next. Here you can select if you want to install it somewhere else. I'm just going to leave the default path in. I'm going to click on Next again, and then the Install button, and then within like literally 2 seconds, it's going to pop this window up saying it's already installed. You can just click on here, so actually make the check mark blue, and then click on Finish. It's going to automatically open up the software, the AttackShark X3 software on your computer after just a few seconds, and when that happens, you'll be able to go ahead and get your mouse added, okay? So just open it up. If it doesn't work for the first time, you can open it up again, and then it's going to detect your mouse, and when it does, of course, it's basically going to allow you to essentially connect it and use it on your computer. Now, currently, I don't have my mouse connected, so it's not popping up, but when you do, you're going to be able to open up the software, and it's going to connect. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.